Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, and this is the 20th video in the series, and it's another little Napa tool haul. And I got this performance tool 3/8 and 1/4 drive inverted TORX set, and it's got a little 1/4-inch adapter. You can use the 3/8 for everything. It's from E5 up to, let's see here, up to something. I'll have to take it out to see. Let's see. 16. Alright, which was everything I needed for an alternator swap on a Mercedes. And lifetime warranty. Our little Napa didn't have one, so went and picked it up the next day. Didn't buy the alternator there though. It was $270 for the Bosch and $240 for something else. And I got one off Amazon for $105, I think it was. Came in about 3 days. Worked fine. Alright, here we go. Price on these was $14.47, which, you know, what can you say? Lifetime warranty. Take them back to Napa, which that does count for a lot. Is if you get them where you get most of your parts and your tools at, a close place. So anyway, I like them. Work fine. Came on the little rail. Alright, thanks for watching.